Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you love stickers and also love Taylor Swift, you have got to check these out.
I am totally obsessed with these stickers. I got them because I love Evermore and Folklore, and I love the artwork style of these stickers. There are so many to choose from, so many little details that someone who loves those albums would really appreciate. So I'm having a blast sticking these all over the place. They're super easy to stick on, and I find that they have been staying really well. Here I'm putting one on my coffee mug, my travel mug. I've also used them on my water bottle, and they look really beautiful on a plain notebook that I have. So I just really love them. I've been having so much fun with them, and I just think that that artwork style is really, really beautiful. There's so many little fun details to pick out.
These are so much fun. I think that you or the Swiftie in your life are going to love them as well. But that's just my point of view.